every time my wife sit in a chair. Hey, got me feeling small in the mud. But anyway, you guys, it's time to cut my hair. Okay, my hair. I'm getting tired of looking bummy, okay? All this in the back of my neck. All this in the back of my neck needs to come off, okay? Let's head to the job. I still got to cut hair today, and let's cut this off. Let's go. Alright you guys, today is the day, but voice, I gotta cut some hair, man. I'm not cutting my hair probably until the end of the day, so let's get to it. So it's lunchtime right now. I'm about to go home, get my last brush session in before I start to cut it. It's almost the end of the day. Like I said, it's lunchtime right now. I'm about to go home and get a brush session in, okay? You probably would think, why you're not eating, all right? Because I'm not hungry, okay? How about that? I'm not hungry. I'm gonna go brush my hair, okay? All right. Man, one thing about having this mask on this whole time is that your face gets so oily and greasy, and I don't know, man. Having it on all day just isn't the move. But let's get into this brush session. My last brush session before I cut everything off. HustleDreamProduction. Here, I'm about to show you guys how long my hair is. It's not really that long. It's not like I'm woofing for that long, but I don't know. I kept it real thick last time, so it is a tad bit long though. I didn't realize how long it was. It is actually heck long though. I didn't even realize that, to be honest. Let's comb it out. Not combing it back, but let's just comb it. See how long it is when I comb. On this woof session, I really didn't even comb that much. That's crazy. I was just doing a lot of brushing. I mean, I think I could still woof it, but I just don't want to at this point. I want to cut it all the way down to a 2 and just give myself a taper finally, a small little taper, nothing too extreme, just a little baby taper and a lineup so I can look presentable. You know what I'm saying? I've been walking out here looking real ugly. Let me get my comb session in and then rag up. Alright you guys, session is over with. Let's head back to work. Cut some more hair, then let's cut my hair. Alright, let's go. Alright, you guys, before I start this cut, I'm gonna need to say one thing, alright? Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I don't know if it's over here or if over here or there, okay? I don't know which where it is, but listen, okay? Hold on, Rick, real quick. I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna do my thing real quick. I just need y'all to hit that subscribe button, okay? Just hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Either right there or right there. Okay, hit the subscribe button, please. Okay, I'm going to finish getting ready, and I'll be back right now to show you guys, me finishing the cut. But otherwise, hit that subscribe button. It's either on this side or this side. Just hit the subscribe button. Listen, I bet you guys thought that I was actually saying that. But see, the thing is, I had accidentally muted the rest of the footage coming up next, okay? So I wasn't saying any of that. If you want to rewind it and go back and look at it, I wasn't saying any of that. That was all voiceover, you know what I mean? So going forward, what I'm saying is subscribe, okay? Hit the subscribe button. I was giving you time, okay? Hit the subscribe button and, yeah, enjoy. Alright, you guys, so for my crown area, I'm going to cut my crown at a number 2.5. Then I'm going to close the lever and cut everything else at a number 2. you guys can tell, no sound. Okay, no sound. I'm basically saying, all right, YouTube, if you like the cut, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe button, all of that. I'm talking about how clean my fresh cut is. All right, haven't got a cut in a while. So yeah, this is just one of those technical difficulties in the videos when editing and filming that, you know, sometimes it happens. Okay, right now, give this video a thumbs up, okay? Hit the subscribe button, alright? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. You guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok, okay? My TikTok is official 360 Jeezy, okay? It's up in there in the corner right there, alright? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here.